Hello everyone and welcome again. Today we're going to be making something very special. Yes, a Play-Doh Christmas tree. It looks awesome, doesn't it? So let's begin. All we're going to need is some red Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh, light green Play-Doh, dark green Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, 3 straws, a mini extruder, and an extrusion strip. To begin, first grab some red Play-Doh. Roll it out. Cut it into 3 pieces. Now, make them stand. Now we're going to put 3 straws together and using the red Play-Doh, push it all together to create support. This way, it's going to be a support for the tree. You see how at the bottom of a Christmas tree, you always have a stand? Now take some green Play-Doh, a good chunk, and roll it out and press it. Use your fingers to press it down. And cover the red Play-Doh with it. This not only makes it look more festive, it's going to give even more support to the tree. Now you have a strong base and a nice green color. Now take some brown Play-Doh and press it flat. This is going to become the trunk of the tree. Roll it up the straws. And you want to keep the 3 straws together as you do so. Now take the darker shade of green Play-Doh. You're going to roll it out and cut it into 3 pieces. Remember, you use the light green at the base. This is now the darker green Play-Doh. Now take one of the pieces of the dark green Play-Doh and give it a cone shape. You know how to do a cone? Well, you roll it with your hand, but you put more pressure on one side of your hand. That's looking like a cone now. This is going to become the topmost part of the tree. Now take the other 2 pieces, roll them, flatten them at the bottom, and keep the upper level of it a little smaller than at the bottom. These are going to be the bottom and middle portion of the tree. So you have a cone and something like a cone, but with its top leveled off. Now use the knife to make some lines in the trunk of the tree. That's looking like wood now. Now using the extruder and the shape ruler, we're going to create some strips. Let's use some green Play-Doh for this. And create some green strips of Play-Doh. This can be for the grass around the tree. You squeeze out a little bit, cut it off, put the grass at the base of the tree, and do some more. You see at the bottom, you have the grass. So you have the base, the grass, the trunk of the tree. And now it's time to arrange the green Play-Doh chunks one by one through the straw. Carefully push it down through the 3 straws. Take the second one, push it down through the 3 straws, slowly, smoothly. And use your fingers to make sure it's even. You don't want a lopsided tree, you want the tree to be even all around. And finally take the cone and place that on top. 1, 2, 3. That's looking pretty good. Using the knife to create some detailing, it'll look even better. Now let's decorate our almost perfect looking Play-Doh Christmas tree. Because what's a Christmas tree without decorations? So take some pink Play-Doh and roll it thin. And cut it into small pieces. Now you have lots of little pieces of pink Play-Doh that you're going to be using for the decoration. Not just pink, let's use some yellow. Now the fun part, placing them all over. You can put them on the top, at the bottom, wherever you want. That's looking really good. Remember, you can decorate it however you want, with different colors and in any style that you want. Now finally, grab some white Play-Doh. Just a bit. You know how to cut out a star? Using the different edges. And we're going to cut out a star shape. Use the Play-Doh knife. Take a circle and you cut out the parts and make it a star. And the star is going to go at the very top, of course, right? At the uppermost part of the tree. Now it's looking complete, don't you think? It's looking very festive. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Play-Doh videos.